This meditation was entirely generated with AI, including the voices and the script, and does not represent the real individual they portray. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now let's begin. Hey, Jerry Seinfeld here. What is the deal with meditation? You know, I have been practicing Transcendental Meditation since 1972, that is right, before some of you were even born. Let me tell you, it changed my life more than that time Kramer convinced me to adopt a highway. So today I'm going to guide you through a meditation that will bring you the kind of peace I feel when I organize my sneaker collection. First, I want you to find a comfortable seat. And I mean really comfortable, not like those awful airline seats where you are practically sitting on the engine. Take a deep breath in through your nose, just like how my wife Jessica taught me. And let it out slowly through your mouth. You know, breathing is like doing stand-up comedy. Timing is everything. Now, I want you to choose your personal mantra. It could be any word that resonates with you. But keep it to yourself, like George keeps his ATM PIN number. This mantra is going to be your focal point, like how my entire career has been focused on observing the minutia of daily life. Close your eyes gently, as if you are trying not to make eye contact with Newman in the hallway. Begin repeating your mantra silently in your mind. Letting it flow as naturally as my joke writing process, which, by the way, takes a lot longer than people think. You might notice thoughts coming and going, like people through the revolving door at Monk's Cafe. That is perfectly normal. Just like how it is perfectly normal that I have 14 identical white sneakers. When you notice these thoughts, do not fight them. Just acknowledge them and return to your mantra. Like how I always return to my favorite cereal shelf in the morning. You know, I once spent an entire day thinking about why they call it a building when it is already built. But right now, we are just going to let those kinds of thoughts float away. Like a rubber duck in my perfectly temperature-controlled bath. Feel the gentle rhythm of your mantra flowing as smoothly as my 1959 Porsche. Let your body settle into a state of deep rest. Like how I feel after finishing a really good set at the Comedy Cellar. The key to transcendental meditation is effortlessness. Like how effortlessly Elaine can push someone and say, "Get out." You do not need to concentrate or force anything, just like how you do not need to force a joke. It either works or it becomes part of my material about things that do not work. If you find yourself thinking about your to-do list or wondering what is in your refrigerator right now, that is okay. Just gently return to your mantra, like how I always return to my favorite booth at the diner. You know, I have meditated in some pretty interesting places. Backstage at SNL, in my private jet, even in that one Chinese restaurant that Jerry Stiller recommended. But the location does not matter as much as your commitment to the practice, like my commitment to never wearing jeans. They're like giving up on life. Feel the spaciousness in your mind expanding. Like my garage expanding to accommodate my car collection. Notice how your breath has naturally slowed down. Like my speaking pace during the final minutes of a really good show. Your mantra might become very faint or seem to disappear altogether. And that is perfectly fine. Like how it is perfectly fine that I still watch cartoons on Saturday morning. This state of deep rest is more refreshing than a junior mint, and trust me, those things are refreshing. You are experiencing what I like to call the Superman of consciousness. It is like finding the perfect observational joke. But instead, you are finding your perfect inner peace. As we begin to conclude our meditation, slowly start to become aware of your surroundings. Like how I become aware of every single cereal box arrangement in my kitchen. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back to your body. Like how I bring movement back to my audience after a particularly deep punchline. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Returning to the room with the same enthusiasm I have for a fresh pack of Superman comics. Take a moment to notice how you feel, probably as relaxed as I am after organizing my sneaker collection by shade of white. Remember, this practice is like comedy. The more you do it, the better it gets. And believe me, I would know. And just like that, you have completed your first Transcendental Meditation session with me. You know, people always ask me, Jerry, what is the secret to success? Well, besides writing down every funny thought I have had since 1975, it is definitely this meditation practice. So, keep at it, and maybe one day you will be as peaceful as I am when I am alphabetizing my cereal boxes. And remember, serenity now, insanity later. Thank you for meditating with me today, and if anyone needs me, I will be in my garage, contemplating the meaning of life while polishing my Porsches. See you later. Thanks for meditating with us today. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, support us on Patreon, and make sure to visit MEDIT-AI.io to get your own personalized meditation.